What's up guys, how's it going? Welcome back to another video, and today we're checking out Jessica's new music video for Summer Storm. This is like her 10th anniversary album as well, because obviously she debuted with SNSD and it's still her 10th anniversary as well as theirs. And the album's called My Decade, so it's pretty cool. So how I check it out and check the rest of the album out later on. But yeah, Summer Storm, let's go. I've seen the teasers, it looked pretty cool. It looks like it can be more of a slower paced song. Let's see what it's like. Alright. Got a nice little beat to it at first. Oh my. Ooh. It's actually not as slow as I thought it was going to be, which is good because I like faster songs. Oh. Man, I love Jessica's voice. It's just like so light. So she sounds pretty good. You and I. Actually really liking this. Sounds pretty cool. Hey, snow globe. Oh, it's snowing. Cool. Okay, she looks freaking adorable with that wrapped around her head. Ooh. What's happening? Oh. You and I. Damn, she was so beautiful there. Jessica. Okay, so that was Jessica's Summer Storm, and I have to say straight away, like, I was expecting it to be a lot of a slower song, so I'm really happy about that. It sounded really nice, had a nice little beat to it, and it just sounded, I don't know, it's really good. It really surprised me actually. Come on, check out the rest of her album, I'm sure it's going to be pretty awesome. But yeah, I'm pleased she got to do her own little 10th anniversary celebration, because obviously after everything she's done as well. So fair, and I'm so glad because she's done this nice little track. But yeah, thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time. See ya.